Hi, today we'll be cleaning this laptop. Extremely filthy laptop. But first, I've got some questions. I actually just got one question. So I've seen that 80 to 100% of my viewers were watching shorts. So do you think it's a good idea for me to get started into shorts? Feel free to give your ideas in the comments. Anyways, let's get started. So this is a Samsung laptop. I don't have the battery that's in Fortnite, so I'll start by giving it a good wipe. Finally succeeded to open the laptop. Uh, Finally. But I think I might have broken something. So, we obviously don't need the keyboard given its state. So, goodbye. Anyways, let's clean it. That's the DVD slash rewrite DVD player.
Bruh.
Burn the plastic. Finally found a way to remove it. Here is full motherboard. Here is it. Here it is. Why don't we change thermal paste just for the purpose of the video? Even though this laptop is clearly not working anymore. That's an Intel 06. I don't know. Anyways, this one is something. No, I'm not putting thermal paste in it. I'm just taking the RAM and the Wi-Fi card, everything that's much. Here's the Wi-Fi card. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to share the video, like it. Oh, I forgot. I showed that. What? The hard drive. Just forgot to show the hard drive that I'm also keeping. Here it is. So it's 320 gigabytes. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to share the video, like it, comment it, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Bye. Please subscribe.